There's a bear in the space we're going to go into right now. Would we ever want to go in there if there was a bear in there? No, I wouldn't want to do that. That would be scary for me. I'm going to get ready for 2 other bears to come outside. We're going to be preparing for bears named Seely and Connie. They're sisters. And you want to challenge them, right? So taking care of an animal, not just bears, but really any animal, is more than just making sure they have enough to eat, right? It's more than just taking them to the vet and cleaning up after their poop. We do a lot of that stuff. We have a vet that checks on them every single day. How do we motivate the bear to get exercise on its food, a motivator for the bear?
Because it needs more food than us.
It needs more food, right? So I eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner. These are what we call mids. That's just a fancy way of saying stash. But they can be really piled up high. They pile up year after year. There's layers to them, and sometimes they get really deep. Now, we're going to do a better job of protecting our food. When we get out there, we'll have some rocks we can put on top, and we want the bears to work. We want them to use things. Now, this gate says authorized personnel only, but you guys have just been trained. So you're authorized to go through this gate with me.
This is the area we're going to use, all right? That's okay.
Oh my! This bear is almost getting my
food. As far as you know, his mom and sister may still be in the wild to this day. They have feed choices that have kept them away from human food, which is exactly what we hope happens to bears in Grizzly.
That other guy is
Unfortunately, did not
looking
make
there.
those same decisions, and he made his way right back into
My food is near there.
Is it your food, Atik?
I think.
on his own as a
It should be.
bear.
Yeah, it is.